So guys, for the first method, once you're on Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and now you want to click on Settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on About Chrome. It's now going to start updating Chrome. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. See if that works for you. For the second method, if your plugin requires Java, then you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Java. You could search online to see if your plugin does require Java. If it does, then just download it and install it. This should now fix your problem. For the third method, you want to click on the three dots in the top right, and then click on Settings. And now once you're on this, we're going to click on Privacy and Security, and now we're going to click on Delete Browsing Data. You want to make the time range all time. Make sure that you select both cookies and cache. You want to make it all time, select cookies and cache, and then click on Delete Data. See if that works. Now for the last method, on the left hand side, you want to click on Reset Settings, and then click on Restore Settings to the original defaults, and then click on Reset Settings. Now hopefully one of these methods would have fixed your problem.